Namaskaram. Hi friends, this is Nila. I'm back again. This time I'm going to explore Kerala. Are you ready? Let's start now. Kerala is one of the 28 states of India. It lies in the southwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. It is a tropical paradise with the Arabian Sea, a part of the Indian Ocean on the west and the Western Ghats on the east. It is bordered by Karnataka to the north and northeast, Tamil Nadu to the east and south, Lakshadweep Sea to the west. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. Population 34.8 million as of 2011. Kerala has 6 major cities: Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi, Kozhikode, Kollam, Thrissur and Kannur. Now let's see the popular dishes in Kerala. This is my favorite part. Kerala's cuisine is so diverse and different from the rest of India. Keralites have idli, appam and puttu for breakfast, which is made from rice. For lunch, they prefer to have rice, fish and vegetarian side dishes. On special occasions like Onam, birthdays and marriage, Hindu prepare traditional feast called Sadhya, which is served on banana leaf. It contains parboiled red rice, many side dishes, savories, pickles and desserts. Muslims make Malabar biryani and Christians celebrate their occasions with dishes like appam, chicken and beef, wine and cake. Be it chicken, mutton, beef, pork, prawns or fish, each area and community in Kerala has its own taste on these items. Next, we move on to language. Do you know which language they speak? Yes, it is Malayalam. People here greet each other with Namaskaram. The official languages of Kerala are Malayalam and English. It has official language status in Kerala and in the Union territories of Lakshadweep and Puducherry, Mahe. Due to Malayali expatriates, the language is also widely spoken in Gulf countries. Malayalam is more influenced by Sanskrit than Tamil, and it has high amount of Sanskrit loan words. Now, let's see the major festivals celebrated in Kerala. According to census, 56% of Kerala residents are Hindus, 24% are Muslims, 19% are Christians, and the remaining 1% follow Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, and Judaism. Onam is the state festival celebrated by everyone across the land. Be it Onam, Eid or Christmas, all of Kerala rejoices. Powerful beats of the Chenda drum, elephant march across towns and snake boat race can be observed on festival season. Church and mosque in Kerala are located next to temples, showing their communal harmony and religious tolerance. Next, we will see how Keralites dress traditionally. The traditional dressing of Kerala is marked by dhoti or mundu and shirt for men. Mundu and neriyathu with kasavu called sari worn over a blouse is the traditional wear of Hindu women. Christian women wear a blouse called chatta shirt and a mundu marked by a fan-like folding at the back. Muslim women, mostly in the central and northern parts of Kerala, usually wear a long purdah. Oh, the elephants! Elephants are an integral part of the daily life in Kerala. The elephant is the state animal of Kerala and is seen on the emblem of the government of Kerala. Let's see few famous people of Kerala. Raja Ravi Verma is a greatest painters in the Indian art. Adi Shankaracharya is a saint, poet and reviver of Hinduism in India. Verghese Kurian is the father of the White Revolution in India. He made India the world's largest milk producer. Shashi Tharoor is an Indian politician and writer. K. Radhakrishnan is an Indian space scientist. He was the chief during the Chandrayaan 1 and Mangalyaan mission. Adur Gopala Krishnan is one of the well-known film directors in world cinema. Arundhati Roy is an Indian author and a political activist. Yusuf Ali is an UAE-based businessman, chairman and managing director of Lulu hypermarket chain worldwide. Anju Bobby George is the first Indian athlete ever to win a medal in the world. K.R. Narayanan was the former president of India. K.M. Maman was a businessman and founder of MRF Tires. Kala Mandalam Gopi is an Kathakali exponent. K.J. Yesudas is an award-winning playback singer. Has recorded more than 30,000 songs in Indian and foreign languages. Next, we will see the art form performed in Kerala. Kerala is home to a number of performing arts. These included classical dance forms like Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, and other folk dance like Teyyam, Kolkali, Tolkavakootu, and Tiruvadirukali. Margom Kali among Syrian Christians and Oppana dance among the Muslims are popular. Carnatic music dominates Kerala's traditional music. Kalari Payattu, world's oldest and most scientific martial art, was developed in Kerala, acknowledged and respected across the world. Let's see how the weather is in Kerala. Summer is from March to May. Weather would be hot and humid. Monsoon is between June and November. It has 2 rainy seasons with around 120 to 140 rainy days per year. Typical pattern is that it rains for a few hours followed by sunshine. Monsoon is ideal for Ayurvedic therapies. Winter starts from December till February. When is the best time to visit Kerala? Right, between June and February, when the weather is pleasant, making it easy for tourists to explore the state. Next, we will move on to an interesting section. Yes, tourist destination. Kerala is today one of the most sought after tourist places in the world. One can explore by visiting the various forts, palaces, museums, monuments, and pilgrim centers. Kerala attracts nature lovers with its hills, backwaters, beaches, waterfalls, and wildlife. Coconut tree forms a major part of the landscape of Kerala. Alappuzha, known as the Venice of the East, is especially popular for its houseboat cruises. It has 14 wildlife sanctuaries, 6 national parks, and 2 tiger reserves. Next, we will see how the economy is in Kerala. Kerala is mainly involved in a production of pepper, rubber, tea, cashew, spices, coffee, and coconut. The state is also known for its huge varieties of rice. Other key industries, handlooms and powerlooms, bamboo, coir, kaji, sericulture, seafood, mining, tourism, food processing, IT, and electronics. Kerala's economy depends on immigrants working in foreign countries, mainly in Gulf countries. Now, quiz time! What is the capital of Kerala? Thiruvananthapuram. What is the mother tongue of people in Kerala? Malayalam. What is the state festival of Kerala? Onam. Okay, that ends my exploration for now. But it will go on. Don't miss it. We invite you to visit Kerala in future. Hope you like our videos and content. Like and share this video with your friends. Leave your comments. Subscribe to our Moonlight channel for more videos. Nanni. Thank you. Bye-bye.